My lecture topic is automotive braking system. Braking is the mechanism in the motor vehicle which is used to slowing down and stopping the vehicle to rest in the shortest possible distance. Principle of braking system. While operating the braking system, the kinetic energy of moving vehicle is converted into heat energy. What are the functions of the brake? The brakes have the following functions. One is it is used to stop the vehicle. Second one is it is used to control the speed where and when required. Third one is it is used to control the vehicle when descending along the slope. Fourth one is to park the vehicle and hold it in stationary position without the presence of driver. What are the requirements of automobile brakes? The following requirements of automobile brakes are: it should work efficiently irrespective of road condition and quality. Second one is the retardation must be uniform throughout its application. Third one is the pedal effort must be within the convenient capacity of the driver. It must be reliable and should not be affected by heat, water and dust. It should be in minimum weight. It should have a long life. It should be easy to maintain and adjust. Noise and vibrations are to be minimum. There should be provision for secondary brake or parking brake, stopping distance and braking efficiency. For practical measure for braking efficiency, that of the minimum distance in which it can be brought in to rest after the brake is applied. This is called the stopping distance. Some very important aspects about the braking systems are: it is important that there is no air in the hydraulic braking system. Bleeding of the system is the means of keeping the hydraulic braking system air free. The amount of friction material on the brake pads are very important. Replacing worn brake pads is the quickest way to increase the braking power of a vehicle. The condition of the brake fluid is very vital. The braking system requires constant checking, and worn and torn parts should be replaced. Lubrication is a must be to lengthen the life of the brake system. What are the parts of the brake system? The important parts of a brake system are brake pads, brake levers, brake shoes, brake lining, brake drums, sprockets, brake wire, brake cylinder, brake fluid. The components of disc brake are brake calipers, brake pads and rotors. These are the components of disc brakes. Coming to the drum brakes are still widely used for their simplicity and economy. Drum brakes are generally expanding type brakes in which the brake shoes are expanded to make contact with the inside of the brake drum. The brake drum in most cases is an integral part of the wheel. The shoes contain a friction lining which is moved by means of an expanding mechanism. Expanding mechanism consists of a cam which on actuation pushes the brake shoes towards the drum. Braking friction is generated between the brake shoes and the drum. An adjuster is provided to compensate for wear of lining with the use. One of the retractor spring is used to hold the brake shoes in disengaged position. The back plate encloses all the components and protects them from water, dust, mud, etc. The two basic brake configurations are widely found on two-wheelers. These are single leading shoe brake and double leading shoe brakes. In single leading shoe brakes, the single leading shoe brake consists of a single cam and two brake shoes. The brake shoes are embraced with a stationary pivot points depending upon the direction of the drum. One shoe is called a leading shoe and the another called is a trailing shoe.